Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to design a professional-looking login form in Figma. Whether you're just getting started with UI design or you want to make your next project shine with a polished login screen, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have all the tools you need to confidently create, customize, and implement a login form that truly fits your style. Let's jump right into it. To kick things off, open up Figma and head straight to the Templates and Tools section. This is sort of like the treasure chest of pre-made resources, a real-time saver, especially if you want to start with a strong foundation rather than building everything from scratch. In that search bar, simply type in login form. This helps narrow down all the options so you won't have to sift through unrelated templates. Think of it as setting your GPS to the exact destination before starting your trip. It ensures you get where you're going quickly and efficiently. Now, as the results pop up, take a moment to browse through the different login form designs available. You'll notice there are often quite a few styles ranging from minimalist to bold to forms designed specifically for mobile or desktop interfaces. Don't rush this step. Try to pick a design that not only appeals to you visually but also fits the mood or branding of your current project. For example, if your app's look is clean and simple, a minimalist template might be perfect. If you're building something more playful, look for a layout with a bit more color or friendly iconography. Once you've found the login form design that catches your eye, go ahead and open it in Figma. This will launch the template directly into your working space, and now the fun part begins: customization. This is where you can truly make the login form your own. You can change the colors to match your brand's palette, swap out fonts for something that fits your vibe, or even adjust the spacing and button shapes to better suit your interface. Think of this like tailoring a suit. You're ensuring the fit is just right so everything looks and feels intentional. Take a few minutes here to really play around. Don't worry if something doesn't look perfect instantly. Figma's beauty is in its flexibility. For instance, if you want to add a show password toggle, or maybe an extra option for sign-in with Google, just select the layer and add the element. Little tweaks can go a long way to improve usability and the overall user experience. And if you're ever unsure, try previewing your work by hitting the play icon in the top right. This lets you see your design as your users would, helping you spot anything that might feel off before it goes live. When you're happy with your customized login form, it's time to incorporate it into your broader design. Simply copy the edited form elements and then paste them into your main Figma project where your login screen will live. This seamless transfer is one of the reasons Figma is such a powerhouse for designers. It keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. And that's really all there is to it. You've now taken a template, personalized it to match your project, and plugged it right into your design. Remember, don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get everything just right. Practice is the best teacher, and Figma makes experimenting easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions about Figma or want to see more design tutorials like this, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.